How to generate Ghibli image on Ghibli Art AI. Are you guys facing issues to generate the Ghibli image on your Ghibli Art AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open Chrome on a laptop device. Once you open the Chrome, now search for Ghibli AI. After you enter their website, now simply tap on try for free. Once you click on it, look at the left side of your screen where you can see the option for upload image. Now click on it, select your image. Once you select your image, now give it a prompt. If you don't know how to give a prompt, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you fill up all the details, just simply tap on generate Ghibli image. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna generate Ghibli image on Ghibli Art AI. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.